Hello, guys. This is your boy Pedro. Good day, good evening, wherever you are. Good morning for those that is morning. This is another video on Novatech. I thought it would be important because my last video, my software was lagging a little bit, so it's quite clear, but the voice with the image is a bit delayed. So I'm gonna do kind of the same thing just to keep you updated on this today. So this is my third week, by the way, and third week I got paid 3.17% for this week. So it's a 3.17. The first week I got paid 2.62, and the week in the middle I got paid 2.75. So the way it looks is growing, because the first week it was 2.6, 2.75. Now it was 3.17. So it's all good. But let me show you what we're talking about, because on the platform, if you go on the platform, you will see, like, on the platform you can actually join. Even if you have the PAMM account, you can join the PAMM account with $100. So I wanted to make that clear, that you shouldn't be joining with $100 if you don't have the intention of adding in every week or every month. You suppose if you're joining, let's say you have 100 just to join with, but you think like, okay, next week I'll add in another 100 or 50, then the other week I'll add another 50, then the other week keep on adding like that, then it's fine. But you can't put in 100 and leave it there. I will show you why, because that way you'll be losing. Okay, so let me show you. If you go to your platform, you go there. Let's bring in the site calculator so I can show you the site. It's called the site calculator.com. Calculator.com. Let's see. The site calculator is right there. Then we go here, and they say you can join with 100. So let's see, we put $100 here, and we put right here, we put 3%, for example. The average is 3.24, so let's put 3.24 per week. And in this case, we don't even need to go far. Let's just say 8 months, for example. And we're gonna go for 50 weeks, for example. Oh, that was 8 years. Okay, let's just say 1 year, because I'm sure we know. Okay, let's put it 5 then, just in case, because that's our minimum we want to go for. Then the withdrawal is $25, which is the payment for every month. Okay, it says here monthly. So then calculate, you will see why. You see, so you've entered with 100, but then if it keeps, which is not gonna be possible because the let me show you, the company stopped trading with your money while it is 100. As soon as it is less than 100 USD, they won't trade with it anymore. As you can see right here, look, you entered with 100, and just the first month you're not even gonna get past it. Just the first month you're not gonna get past it because, as you can see right here, look, just the first month you're already less 89. You're already less 80. You're already less 11. So while it's here, they won't trade. So all this here, it makes no sense because you won't even pass it. You understand? So it's not wise if you go to the website and say, okay, I'm gonna join in with $100 and I'll see how the account grows. No, don't do that because you will definitely lose your money and it's not worth it. You understand? So what you want to do, start, I'm asking people, if you want to invest something, start minimum like 500. Okay, I know you can start with 200 and keep on adding, but I will request at least 500. Start with 500 USD. 500 USD is only about 300 something pound. So start with 500, and you will see in 5 years how this will surprise you. So if you start with 500 and keep it the way it is, you will see like, okay, this is our, obviously it's not going to be fixed this way, as you can see with my testimony. As I've said, the first week I entered, I got paid 2.62. The second week I got paid 2.75, and this week I got paid 3.17. So this case, I still got another week or two, because today is Sunday the 19th. 17 plus 14, yeah, so that will be 31. So it's gonna be 30 plus 1 because this month ends the 30th, so it's gonna end the 30th. So it seems like I'll still have like almost 2 weeks. I'll still have 2 weeks then. So this month is gonna be like 5 weeks basically. So whatever I'm gonna make is gonna come somewhere. I don't know if it's gonna be 3.2 or something. Then another week again. So you know it's gonna be something good. So for my investment, I'm already better off basically. I'm already better off even if I paid the 25. So my 25 was made the first week. So my second week, my third week, my fourth and fifth week, it's all gonna be a profit, which is good. So if you join in with something reasonable like this, then you'll be fine. You understand? So you can see, like, your first month you make around this number, around 74, so which is good, and you keep growing every month, as you can see. So by the time you are on your 12th month, you're already almost very, very close to quadrupling your account. The first and second year that they are not very, very impressing, but the last years, the last 3 years, man, it's crazy. You can see here, look, this is your third year, 36 months, and you're already at 48. And when it comes to 48 months, you're already at 251. And once you reach that 5th year, on your 60th month, as I always say, imagine you take a car on finance, and that car, you will give a deposit of at least £2,000 or £3,000 or maybe £1,000, just something like that, and you keep paying every month, sometimes £500, £200, £300 every month. You understand? But then if you imagine, okay, that deposit, I'm not gonna buy the car I'm not gonna buy a new car until the next 5 years. You put that 2,000 or 1,000 of deposit you were supposed to put in the car for you to buy the car, put it in your Novatech account, and every Friday, the only thing you're gonna do, take this, whatever they pay you on Friday, this 70 to 74 here, take it and put it into your trading account. That's all you have to do every Friday. That's all you have to do. Then next Friday the same thing, next Friday the same thing, and you are really, really good to go. So 500, look what you'll do in 5 years. How much you've been wasting if you knew this existed, you know? So even if for those that are already investors and we're waiting on other platforms, even if you make quick money in other platforms, make sure in here you use this as your saving account. You just come in, chip in some money, and every Friday you just putting it back into the trading account. And this column here, normally, like this column right here, this one, it will disappear as soon as you get to this level, this level here, this level right here. Because as soon as you make 25k, you don't need to pay $25 anymore. So once you're already making over, like you already made, your balance goes to 25,000, and this column will be scrapped. So everything you make will be your profit, and on top of that, Novatech will start paying you a bonus. Apart from your profit, they will start paying you another bonus on top of that. So it's amazing, you know. It's good. Just to think that you didn't think about this, but obviously it exists, because the thing about this is a company, like, with real people. They're trading with your money, and they're paying you 70% of whatever you're making, or whatever they make from your money. They pay you 70%, they take 30%. They take 30%, then you pay them at the end of the month. You pay them $25, the service fee. So it's good, you know, because if you think about it, if you start with 500, it's a very small money, which is not gonna pay the traders. They can't risk everything when they're trading. They have to be very cautious with the risk, because it's a company's money. So they have to be very cautious. So that's why when your account is small, you have to pay $25. But once your account is bigger, every trade they make, over when your account is over 25,000, they will be making a lot of profit. So with that 30% is going to be already something. But 30% of 20, of 500 is not really a lot, you understand? But then 30% of 25,000 is a lot of money. So you can imagine why they're charging 25 USD. So yeah, so that's how. So I'm gonna show you now how to basically join on your own. It's not difficult to join. So what you do, you go to let me get a link. So when you get a link, you come to your Chrome, for example, you paste the link. I've already got a link here. I was prepared, so I got a link here. So what you do here, you choose a login. You put either your email address, you put your email address, or you put a username. You just choose a username or email to log in, and here you type a website, for example, a link that you'll be using. If your name is John, for example, you type it. You may choose John something, John. Then here it will tell you, because John is a popular name, it will tell you if John is available or John is taken. But then if you keep changing, let's put John, your name is John, then your website will be john.novatechfx.com. That is available. Then you can choose that. Or so that is just example. You choose your name, you put it there, so you can create a website. Then by creating a website, it's the company's website. It's not like the website you're gonna be managing or anything like that. No, that way you can get you can create a website which will be your link to be sharing to your friends and family or whoever that is that wants to use this platform. Okay, then here you choose the country. Let's say you are from the UK, as I am right now. You choose United Kingdom. Yeah, you choose United Kingdom, but I'm not gonna go all the way because I don't wanna make this video too long. So you choose United Kingdom. If you are in USA, you choose the USA. If you are in Ghana, you choose Ghana. Then you create a password right here, then repeat the password right here. Then you go create the password and you continue. Here you create a secret. You choose a secret question. So like, what is your father's first name? And you choose you write the answer right here. Then here where it says personal tax ID, this is your national insurance if you are in the UK. No, it's not national yeah, it's your national insurance if you are in the UK. In this case, because I didn't choose UK, that's why it's not coming up. But let me choose UK just for this case, so you can see. Let's go United Kingdom. So you choose United Kingdom right there. Then here you put you choose the language. Then here personal tax ID, you can see now is national insurance number. It says NI number, so you put your NI number right here. Then right there so you put your NI number right here, and NI number right there, and you select the language here. You put your first name, you put middle name if you have one, then you put last name. put your email address. This email address has to be different to the email address you put in your signing. If you only have one email address, make sure in your signing use a username. Don't use an email address. Just create some type of signing name or something like that, like avocado or something. And here you put your referred by ID. So you choose. But if you already got a link from someone, as you can see, it's optional, so you can just pass. And right here you can just pass all this. Then you choose the date of birth right here. You put your address, like full address, country, postcode, and the same as here. You put address, postcode, and you create your PIN. This PIN is important. You create your PIN and remember it. So what I always say to people, if you are investing, make sure you buy a logbook where you normally put your stuff, because it's so many platforms that we're joining and you'll be mixed up with passwords and PIN numbers and all that kind of stuff. So make sure you type it, you write it somewhere secret and put it there, because it's important. It's the e-wallet, your e-wallet PIN number, which you'll be using all the time to take the money to put in your trading account. If you get paid on Friday, you have to use that PIN for the money to go, otherwise the money will not move. So make sure you write it and keep it safe. Then once you finish, then you put your address and everything. Then you come all the way to the bottom, then click the terms, read the terms and condition, tick all of them. After reading them, then whatever number you will see here, you write it here, you write it right here, you type it there. Then once you write it, then you click complete the enrollment. And once you complete the enrollment, they will send you an email address to confirm. Then that's it, your account is open. Once your account is open, now what you have to do, go to your Binance, buy the crypto that you want to send. So the crypto you want to, I'm advising people to use is Litecoin, but it's up to you. You can use USDT, you can use Bitcoin, whatever you want to use, but I'm only saying you should use Litecoin because it's cheaper to send. They don't charge you too much. The charge is only 0.63 per movement. It doesn't matter how much. So I tried USDT because they're using the Ethereum USDT on their platform. Is too expensive. Whatever movement you're making, they're charging 10 USDT, which is expensive. Believe me, because the USDT, TRC20, they only charge $1, but with ERC20 they're charging $10. It's too much. You shouldn't be doing that. So use Litecoin and come to your back office, then upgrade your account. Once you click upgrade the account, then make the payment, then they'll send you the link where the money will go, and that's it. So if you don't know how to do the crypto exchange and everything, we can make that video other day, or you can go to my platform. There are videos there how to use Binance, how to use Clever to send the money, to withdraw and to receive. So make sure you watch those videos, and those will help you out. So I think as matter as far as Novatech is concerned, I think we're done for this one. So they're paying every Friday. There is no late payment or anything. So I know many people say this is a slow, but it's okay for me. I'm getting paid every Friday. So I'm gonna show you, because we're done we done a small account of 500. So let's do the big account and show you, for example. So we can show you how you will be surprised on how much you'll be able to make. So let's say if you're starting with 5,000, for example, you've deposited 5,000. Yeah, 5,000, and the percentages average is 2.4 weekly. You get paid weekly, and you're giving it 5 years. I have to make this clear. Listen, guys, we should stop thinking shorter term. We should stop thinking, okay, I want to be rich in 6 months, I want to be rich in 3 months. It doesn't help, because you'll stay at the same point every single year, just thinking, okay, next year I want to, in December you start wishing stuff. Okay, I want this year to be this year to be that, this year. But you're not planning long term. We should start planning long term to see the change. So if you deposit 5,000 here, make sure it's not a 5,000 that you will need on any emergency at all. That 5,000 is gonna be there, and the Fridays you're just gonna be there taking it, putting it back, and you continue doing whatever you're doing and paying your bills in whatever you're doing, or in other investments. So this one, just make a wish, okay, this money will go there, and this is 2022 until 2027. That's when I'm gonna touch that money. So that being said, so let's move on. Then let's see how much this will give us. So withdraw, because you start paying 25 USD until your account it's at 25,000. So let's calculate. So this is mind-blowing. Look, let me show you right here. Look, 19 million, 5,000 in 5 years. Okay, let's say take or add a little on that one. It's still not bad. Even if you just made 15, it's still not bad, to be honest. Because come on, 5,000. So for those of us that trade, we know how much we've been blowing in trading accounts. So if your 5,000 can actually grow in 5 years like that, you've moved on basically before you know it. Because look, your 5,000, it only take you 12 months for your account to get to 25,000. So by June, if you join now, by June or July next year, you don't need to pay the 25 USD anymore, and you just keep enjoying the profit. So what if, for example, you start with, as you can see here, so the first 2 years, sorry, I went too quick. So the first 2 years, it's growing slowly, but the last years, man, look, at third year you already got 698. So this year, for me, you can even start enjoying some of the money if you want to, because you got 600, almost 700. So it is not gonna hurt if you take 50k to enjoy yourself or to relax, then continue with the rest of 650 or something like that for the next couple of years. And you can see on the 4th year, like by the 3rd year, just the 3rd year in your 3rd month, you already made $1 million. Look right here, see that? So it's only gonna take you 3 years for you to make it to $1 million. So come on, guys, start thinking long term. So what if, for example, which is possible, many people will start with 25,000. Yeah, you start with 25,000 and you give it that amount of time, because that way you don't need to put anything anymore, and you will just make the money. And look, you close to 100 million in 5 years, you know. And I'm not gonna say you're gonna wait for 5 years with this amount of money not to enjoy. So let's be realistic. Maybe on your 2nd year, once you make it to $1 million, because it's only gonna take you a couple of months to make it to $1 million. Not a couple of months, a year. And so on your 2nd year, a year and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, now a year and 3 months for you, 2 years and 3 months for you to make it to $1 million. Then the rest of the other years, just, you know, your money is multiplying, so you can stay for a couple of 2 or 3 years. You're good, you know, you're very, very good. So think long term. Especially if you have only small investment, think long term, and you will see the difference. You will jump the rat race, because otherwise we'll be continuing at the same roundabout all the time. Okay, I think that was it for this video. I wanted it to be short, but I've gone to 30 minutes. So that's it now, guys. So enjoy the video and share it with your family and friends. Share it with family and friends, and subscribe to my channel if it's the first time you're watching my channel. Subscribe, and yeah, God bless you all, and let's make money.